are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about parallelogram. So let's start with that. We know that a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, as some of polygons have names like pentagons, hexagons, heptagon, octagon, etc. Some quadrilaterals also have special names like parallelogram, trapeziums, kite, etc. beta. The different types of quadrilaterals are given in the following chart. So here it is given. सीरियल नंबर 1 स्पेशल क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स और ये उसकी फिगर है. सो फर्स्ट वन इज पैरेललोग्राम. अ पैरेललोग्राम इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स विद बोथ पेयर्स ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल. जस्ट लाइक इन दिस डायग्राम पैरेललोग्राम ए बी सी डी में हमारा जो ए बी है इज पैरेलल टू डी सी, ओके, और ए डी इज पैरेलल टू बी सी, like that one. This is and that one, okay. Now second one is rhombus. A parallelogram whose all 4 sides are equal is a rhombus, okay. So like this, AB is equal to BC and is equal to CD and DA in that one. Now third one is rectangle. A parallelogram in which all 4 angles are right angle is a rectangle. Just like this, AB is equal to DC and AD हमारा इक्वल होगा BC के, and each in angles हमारे कौन से बन रहे हैं इसमें 90 डिग्री. Now after that square. A parallelogram in which all 4 sides are equal and all 4 angles are right angles is a square beta. So here it is given AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That means this is our square, okay. Now after that हमारा आता है trapezium. Quadrilaterals with exactly one pair of parallel side is a trapezium. So here it is given AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC beta. After that isosceles trapezium क्या होता है? A trapezium in which 2 non-parallel sides are equal, each pair of base angles are equal. So just like this isosceles trapezium हमारा है ABCD. So here it is AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to beta BC. After that kite. A quadrilateral in which the 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal is a kite. Now that one beta, okay. So AB is equal to BC और AD हमारे equal है DC. But AB is not equal to CD and BC is not equal to AD beta, okay. So arrowhead, a kite with one reflex angles is called an arrowhead, like that way, okay. So इसमें क्या है हमें AB और BC given है equal, AD is equal to given है CD. That means ABC is a reflex angle. Hope you understood the all property of a parallelogram. Now this chart shows how special parallelograms are related. So this is a quadrilaterals, kite, arrowhead and this is parallelogram. Parallelograms के 2 parts है, that means rectangle, rhombus and square. Trapeziums में हमारे क्या क्या आते हैं? Isosceles trapezium. Hope you understood this chart also. Now properties of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal, the opposite angles are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Proof: let ABCD be a parallelogram. Draw its diagonal AC. Now in triangle ABC and a triangle CDA we have angle A is equal to angle 4. That means alternate angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 2. That means alternate angles. And angle AC हमारे क्या है? CA के बराबर है, ये common side है. So that means we just say that by ASA congruence ABC is equal to CDA beta. Hope you understood the property of that one. Now next, AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to DA and हमारा एंगल जो B है वो हमारा D के इक्वल होगा, ओके. Similarly, by drawing the diagonals BD, we can prove that triangles ABD is congruent to CDB के बेटा, and angle A हमारा equal है angle C के. Thus AB is equal to CD और BC is equal to DA and angle B is equal to D and angle A is equal to angle C. Okay, this proves 1 and 2. In order to prove 3, consider parallelogram ABCD and draw its diagonals AC and BD intersecting each other at O. Like that way, in triangles OAB and OCD, we have AB is equal to CD by opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay, and AOB is equal to COD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, for that reason, और OAB is equal to हमारा OCD होगा just because of alternate angles, and OAB congruent होगा हमारा OCD के by the property of ASA. Okay, so that means OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Hope you understood well. This shows that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. The converse of the above results is also true. That means a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are also equal. And a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its diagonals bisect each other. Hope you understood the all properties of that one. Now note, a rectangle, a square and a rhombus are special type of parallelogram. So all the properties of a parallelogram are satisfied by each one of them, beta. Hope you understood well. So now diagonal properties of a rectangle first. The diagonals of a rectangles are equal and bisect each other. So proof करना है, let ABCD be a rectangle whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O. From triangle ABC and BAD we have, like in this diagram, AB हमारा BA के equal है, this is common. ABC BAD एंगल हमारा each एंगल कितने का बन रहा है, 90 डिग्री. ओके, BC हमारा AD के बराबर है, opposite sides of a rectangle. So triangle ABC हमारा congruent हो जाएगा BAD के by SAS congruence. So AC is equal to BD. Hence the diagonals of our rectangles are equal. From triangles OAB and OCD we have, हमें क्या क्या given है, OAB हमारा OCD के बराबर है by alternate angles, and OBA is equal to ODC alternate angles. AB is equal to CD opposite sides of a rectangle. That means triangle OAB is a congruent OCD by ASA congruence, beta. So OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Hope you understood. This shows that the diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Hence the diagonals of a rectangles are equal and bisect each other. Hope you understood. So now move on, next one, diagonal properties of a rhombus. So the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Proof, let ABCD be a rhombus whose diagonals AC and BD intersecting at the point O. We know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Also the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. That means OA हमारा equal है OCK and OB is equal to OD, beta. Okay. From angle COB and COD we have CB is equal to CD. That means side of a rhombus. CO is equal to CO. That means a common, and OB is equal to OD, proved. So triangle COB is congruent COD by SS congruence, means sides. So COB is equal to COD. But COB plus COD, that means two right angles linear pair. COB or COD means one right angle. So hence the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle, beta. Hope you understood well. So now move on, diagonal properties of a square. The diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So proof, we know that the diagonals of a rectangles are equal. Also we know that every square is a rectangle. So the diagonals of a square are equal. Again, we know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angle, but every square is a rhombus. So, the diagonals of a square bisect each other at a right angles. Hence, we can say that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at a right angle, beta. Hope you understood. So, now note, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect at right angles, then it's not a necessary a rhombus. In the adjacent figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral in which diagonals PR and QS intersect at right angle, but it's not a rhombus, beta. So, remember this thing, okay? So, now just move on. Diagonal properties of a kite. So, kite की जो diagonals होती है उसकी properties क्या होती हैं? Let's see. First one is the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means AC हमारा perpendicular है to BD के in that figure. And diagonals BD bisect angle B as well as D. Okay? और हमारा एंगल A हमारा एंगल C के बराबर है और O है हमारा OC के बराबर है. और diagonals BD divides the kite into two congruent triangles. That means triangles ABD is congruent with DBC के बेटा. Hope you understood the property. So now next solve example. Example number 1. In the following parallelograms find the value of x, y and z. x, y, z की value find out करनी है in that figure. So now start. AOB हमारा कितना है 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो x हमारा कितना हो जाएगा 90 जस्ट बिकॉज द वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो इन ट्रायंगल DOC y प्लस एक्स प्लस 30 डिग्री हमारा कितना होना चाहिए 180 डिग्री के. सो नाउ जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. y की वैल्यू हमारी कितनी आई 60 डिग्री. Hence, further AB is a perpendicular to CD and BD is a transversal. So, angle ABD हमारा equal है angle CDB के बेटा. Why? Just alternate angles. So, we can say that Z is equal to Y, that is 60 degree. So, hence X हमारा कितना निकला 90 degree and Y कितना निकला 60 और Z हमारा कितना हुआ yes 60 degree also. Hope you understood well. Example 2. For each of the following parallelogram find the value of x, y and z. हमने x और y और z की value find out करनी है in this diagram. First one is since adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, we know that. So x plus 50 हमारा कितना हो गया 180 and y plus 50 is equal to 180. So x की value निकली 130 and y हमारा कितना हो गया 130. Also z plus 50 हमारा होना चाहिए 180 and we know that angle B और हमारा equal होता है angle D is equal to 50 degree. So z की value हमारी कितनी निकली 130. Thus x हमारा है 130, y 130 and z is also 130 बेटा. Hope you understood. Now B part is since opposite sides of a parallelograms are equal. So y हमारा कितना हो गया 110. Also adjacent angles of a parallelograms are supplementary. So z plus 110 is equal to 180 और x plus 110 is equal to 180. So that means z हमारा 70 डिग्री निकला और x की वैल्यू हमारी आई 70 डिग्री. So thus we can say that x is equal to 70 डिग्री, y हमारा बना 110 और z की वैल्यू कितनी आई 70 डिग्री बेटा. This is how we just find out the values of that one. Hope you understood. Now example 3. The point of intersections of a diagonals of a quadrilaterals divides one diagonals in the ratio 1:3. Is it a parallelogram? A हमारा क्या parallelogram है? Y और why not? So no, it's not a parallelogram because in a parallelogram the diagonals of a parallelograms are bisects at their points of a intersections. Hope you understood well beta. So now move on. Example 4. The ratio of a two sides of a parallelogram is 2:6 and its parameters is 64 given. So now find the sides of the parallelogram. So let the two sides of the parallelogram be 2x centimeter and 6x centimeter. Like that way, since the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, therefore the sides of two sides are 2x centimeter and 6x centimeter. नाउ पैरीमीटर ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम कितना होना चाहिए 64 सेंटीमीटर एंड वी नो दैट पैरीमीटर कितना होता है सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स दैट मीन्स 2x प्लस 6x प्लस 2x प्लस 6x कितना निकल गया हमारा येस नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दैट वन और x की वैल्यू हमारी आई 4. So hence the side of the parallelogram are 8 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Hope you understood. Now example 5. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 100 centimeter. One of its sides is greater than other by 10 centimeter. Now find the length of all the sides of the parallelogram. So solutions. Suppose one side of the parallelogram कितनी होनी चाहिए x सेंटीमीटर then its other side कितनी हो गई x plus 10 centimeter. Let opposite sides of the parallelograms are equal so its remaining two sides are x centimeter and that means x plus 10 centimeter. Now perimeter of this parallelogram कितना हो जाएगा just add all the value so that means x plus 10 x plus 10 is equal to 4x plus 20 centimeter like that. But parameter कितना है 100 centimeter that is given. So 4x plus 20 हमारा कितना होना चाहिए 100. Now just simplifying that one हमारा x कितना निकला 20. So therefore length of the all sides of the parallelogram are x plus 10 x plus 10 centimeter that means 20 centimeter 30, 20 and 30 centimeter. Hope you understood well. Now example 6. In a parallelogram ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at O and AC कितना given है 12.8 centimeter. BD is given 7.6 centimeter. Now find the measures of OC and OD in that figure. Okay, so let's start. Given हमें AC है 12.8, BD is 7.6 centimeter. So we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We know the property of that one. Therefore हमारा क्या हो जाएगा AO हमारा हो जाएगा OC is equal to OC is equal to half AC. That means half into 12.8 हमारा कितना बन गया 6.4 centimeter. And similarly BO हमारा OD है एंड OD का कितना है हाफ BD दैट मीन्स ये हमारा वैल्यू आई 3.8 सेंटीमीटर बेटा. ओके नाउ सॉल्यूशंस. लेट ABCD बी द गिवन रेक्टेंगल इन विच लेंथ इज गिवन AB हमारा कितना है 8 सेंटीमीटर एंड डायगोनल्स कितना है बेटा AC दैट इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. Since each angles of a rectangle is a right angle, we have angles ABCD is 90 degree. Now after that हमें given क्या है yes from the right triangles ABC we have AB की square plus BC square that means is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem property. So AB is BC square हमारा कितना होना चाहिए AC square minus AB square that means 10 की square minus 8 की square centimeter square. So 10 into 10 हमारे होते हैं 100 and 8 और 8 कितने होते हैं 64. Now just minus that is हमारा निकला BC 36 centimeter that is 6 centimeter. So breadth is 6 centimeter beta. This is how we just find that one through the Pythagoras theorem. Example 8. In the given figure ABCD is a parallelogram. So AO and BO are the bisectors of angles A and B respectively. So prove that angle AOB हमारा कितना होना चाहिए yes 90 degree. So this is a diagram. Now solutions. We know that the sum of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram कितना होता है 180 degree. So angle A और B is equal to 180. Since AO and BO are the bisectors of angles A and B respectively, we have angles OAB is equal to half angle A and ABO is equal to half angles B. From triangles OAB, we have angles OAB plus AOB plus BABO हमारा कितना आना चाहिए 180 degree. Why? Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 through this property. Now just put that value according to that और हमारा आंसर कितना आया yes we can say that AOB is equal to 90 degree बेटा. Hope you understood well. So now example 9. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. Which of two sides are parallel? Okay, so this is a diagram. So let's see. In the given figure, ML is a transversus to the lines NM and KL. Okay. Also, sum of the two interior angles made on the transversus is 180 degree. So the sides NM and KL are parallel. Okay. Hence, the figure is trapezium. Hope you understood well. So now move on. Next one, example 10. Find the value of x and y in the given figure. Like in this figure, solutions. In a triangle BNC, हमारा जो BCN 180 है. So 180 में से माइनस करेंगे हम NBC माइनस CNB. So that means 180 माइनस 90 माइनस 25 हमारा कितना निकल गया? Yes, 65 डिग्री. सिंस हमारा जो एंगल A, एंगल C और 65 है तो हमारा एंगल कितना निकला? 65 और x is equal to 65. So in a triangles AMB, angle ABM is equal to 180 minus angles AMB minus BAM. Now just put the value. So हमारा आंसर कितना आया? 25 डिग्री. Okay, so we can say that since हमारा जो एंगल्स ABM और NBM 90 डिग्री है हमारा ये. नाउ जस्ट माइनस ऑल द वैल्यू. सो y की वैल्यू हमारी आई 65 डिग्री बेटा. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 11. द डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ रोम्बस आर 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द रोम्बस. सो अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. सो इन दिस डायग्राम लेट्स सी, गिवन हमें रोम्बस है ABCD इन विच AC हमें कितना गिवन है? 8 सेंटीमीटर और BD है 6 सेंटीमीटर. लेट दीज डायगोनल्स इंटरसेक्ट एट O. सिंस द डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ रोम्बस बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल्स, देयरफॉर AO हमारा इज इक्वल टू है हाफ AC इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू 8 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर और BO हमारा कितना गिवन है? हाफ BD के. So that means half into 6 centimeter is equal to 3 centimeter. So AOB हमारा कितना निकला? 90 डिग्री. So AOB by Pythagoras theorems we have AB की square is equal to AO square plus OB की square that means 4 की square plus 3 की square that means 16 plus 9 25 बेटा. Okay, so hence the length of the each side of the rhombus is 5 centimeter. क्योंकि square root 25 का कितना निकल जाएगा? 5. Hope you understood well. So now move on example 12. One of the diagonals of a rhombus is congruent to one of its sides. Find the angles of the rhombus. So in this diagram, let ABCD be a rhombus in which diagonals BD is equal to AB is equal to AD. So triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle. So triangles BAD हमारा कितना है? 60 डिग्री. Each angles of an equilators is 60 by this property. So we can say that angles BAD plus ABC 180. Okay, so ये हमारे angles हो गया. AD is parallel to BC. After that ABC is equal to 180 minus BAD. That means 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. Since opposite angles of a rhombus are equal, that means ये हमारे कितने निकल गए? 60 डिग्री, 120 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री and 120 degree. Now example 13. ABCD is a kite in which angles OBC is equal to 20 and OCD हमारा कितना है? 35. Now find हमने करना है ABC and angle ADC and BAD. So start with first one. Since the diagram BD bisect ABC को, okay? So ABC कितना है हमारा? 2 OBC that means 2 into 20 that is 40 degree. Okay? In second ones हमारा जो एंगल है BDOC कितना गिवन है? 90. ओके, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ काइट इंटरसेक्ट्स एट राइट एंगल्स. सो ODC 180 माइनस 90 डिग्री प्लस 35 हमारा कितना निकला 55 डिग्री. ओके, सो 180 डिग्री माइनस 125 हमारा कितना आना चाहिए 55 डिग्री. सो हमारा जो बी डी बाइसेक्ट हो रहा है ए डी सी में, सो वी कैन से दैट ए डी सी इज इक्वल टू ओ डी सी. टू ओ डी सी दैट मीन्स 55 just multiply by 2, that is 110 degree. Hope you understood. And now C part is, so C part में क्या है बेटा, in triangle OBC angle OCB is equal to 180 minus BOC OBC, just because of diagonals of a kite intersect at right angles. So 180 minus 90 plus 20 हमारा कितना आ गया 70 डिग्री. नाउ सिंप्लीफाइंग दैट वन, सो बी ए डी हमारा निकला 105, दैट मीन्स 105 डिग्री. ओके, सो नाउ एग्जाम्पल 14. ए बी सी डी इज अ स्क्वायर like that way. Now determined DCA. So since ABCD is a square, therefore AD is equal to DC and triangles ADC is equal to 90. So now in a triangle ADC we have AD is equal to DC. That means angle 1 and 2 in a triangles, angles opposites equal sides are equal. So angle 1, 2 and ADC 180 just because of angle sum property of a triangles. So angle 1, 190, 180. Now simplify that one. So हमारा DCA कितना निकला? Yes बेटा 45 degree. Hope you understood all example very nicely. So now move on. Exercise 13. In the figures given below, ABCD is a parallelogram like that one. So CE bisect angle C and AF bisect angle A. In each of the following, if the statement is true, so give a reason for the same. Okay, so this is a diagram. So here it is given, जो हमारा एंगल है एफ ए बी, ये हाफ है हमारा एंगल ए के. सो लेट्स सी, तो हम कहेंगे येस दिस इज ट्रू, ये हमारा उसके हाफ ही है एंगल ए के. वाई? बिकॉज ए एफ जो हमारा है, जो ए एफ गिवन है हमारा ए और एफ, ये हमारा कहाँ पर हो रहा है, बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है किसमें, एंगल ए पे. ओके, सेकंड में क्या पूछा है कि जो हमारा एंगल्स बन रहे हैं एफ ए बी, ये क्या इज इक्वल टू है हमारा, सेम है डी सी ई के. तो वी आर जस्ट सेइंग दिस इज ट्रू. वाई ट्रू? बिकॉज ये हमारे क्या है, ऑपोजिट्स एंगल्स ऑफ अ पैलोग्राम, ये जो हमारे पैलोग्राम के होते हैं आर क्या होते हैं, इक्वल. These are the other questions beta, you have to complete it your own. Okay, so with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.